let's talk about this VB kit for this month. It is, let's see the name of it. I don't even know what the name of it is. Let me open it. How about we open it, Latina, and see what's inside. This is pretty. It says day by day. A look inside your March VB kit. Sticky note set, macrame keychain charm, abstract free spirit, 15mm washi, minimum rainbow, mini rainbow, 7.5mm, VB sticker book, 9 pages with the mini deco sheet, transparent boxes, page flag kit, washi roll word stickers, washi roll deco stickers, transparent cards, crystal VB pen, free spirit, abstract silhouette, animal charm, my pretty pens, abstract rainbow pen sleeve, 4 cardstock paper sheets, and 2 vellum sheets, only if you ordered the paper pack. So, that sounded like a lot. First off, what I've been doing is, I get these from the dollar store, these labels. So inside this VB kit is a pen called Free Spirit. So I'm going to make a tag for it. And that's the first thing I'm going to pull out because this is how I've been keeping up with my VB pens. So that's it. And so then for me to keep up with the names, I put, giving y'all my secrets, put this label on it, right? And then this is not a this, I repeat, this is not a VB pen case. I ordered this. Deshauna had told me she got one from Amazon. So this is Free Spirit. So I'm gonna add it because in here, in this pen case, where VB you can't add your pens with the cover on it. So in here you can. So this is where how I've been doing my pens, right? So this will go in here, and all these are named. I took 2-3 days this week and named all my pens. I went through the database and found names for every last one. So you see that? So I still got some spots because, and this one holds like 48. This holds 48 pens. And then this one is missing. This one just one. I try to put them in order of their hardware. So all these are rose gold. All these are gold. All these are black. And all these are silver and pewter. I mean it's not pewter, it's called you know, I forget that other hardware that's kind of like silver, but it's not. It's shoot, look, you know, what is the name of it? I forget, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It's like a grayish looking silver. Pewter, I call it, but I guess that's not the name for it. So that's what I've been doing with these. And these you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. That's how I keep up with my pens. Okay, back to the kit. So this is, sticky note set. It says today, put the date. It says reminder, important or urgent, to do now or later, plans, personal or work. That's nice. That's very nice. We got that. We got the Free Spirit sticker book with the deco sheet. The deco sheet has the pen. So in your planner, you can write what day, you know, when the pen came, because you got that pen inside there on the sheet. See that? And then this little deco. And let's flip through here without making the book come apart. So it says, don't forget your worth. I can and I will. I like these neutral colors. It's very pretty. Calming. Very calming. So icons. Cancel. Next week. Reschedule. Another day. Pay bills. And then more icons. To do. Note. Reminders. Smaller boxes. Quarters. Halves. I think the smaller one than that is the quarter. This week, meeting, goals, urgent. This and that. Oh, that says appointment. This is this and that. Little things. Reminder. Focus. Day off. Personal. Notes. Check it off. Plan for this. It's hard to kind of read these the foiling. So you have another icon sheet. It's like a bigger version of this one. List and flags. There's the week. Arrows. And these are tabs. Things to do. Don't forget. Busy. I like that box. That says this week. I like this. That's very pretty. I love that. So that's that sticker book. Free Spirit. Put that back in there. And then we have this row. Oh, that's gorgeous. Y'all see that row? Can you see it? See how pretty it is? This is, oh, that's gorgeous. They got the pen on it. Oh my God. What's the name of these rows of washing? Deco stickers. And then we got the word washi, word stickers. Today, reminder, note. Love that. And then this one is the smaller one. Mini rainbows. Mini rainbows. We got 4 washies in there. As always, we got the refill for the pen. These are transparent cards. Good vibes. I don't know if you can see that. This one says, oh, this one just says hello. This is like a flat lay. Oh, this is that face I love. That's gorgeous. Some flowers. And this is a flower in a pen. Ooh, gorgeous. Ain't that cute? Lovely. Lovely. I like it. I like it. We got some new transparent box flags. On a card of rainbows. Those colors are gorgeous. We've got, ooh, that's the face. That's that face. Silhouette enamel charm. That's gorgeous. I love that. I might hang that off my planner. And then we have this macrame keychain charm. That's cute too. And then My Pretty Pens rainbow pen case. Pen sleeve. My Pretty Pens abstract rainbow pen sleeve. So worth it, isn't it? You get all of that. This is Free Spirit Villabeautiful Sub box for March. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you got one down below in the comment section, and I'll talk to you real soon. Stay safe, guys. Bye.